until 1975, when disaster struck. Drought scorched the country's northern pastures. Tens of thousands lost their livestock, their livelihood. Many starved. Deeply moved, the president toured camps set up to shelter the destitute. By his return to the capital, he had known what to do. To save their lives, they would have to be moved to fertile lands in the south. The decision of June 1st, 1975, would move all nomads who wished it to resettlement areas between the southern rivers. A mere 18 days after this decision, transport had been assembled and stood in position in the north. Boarding for evacuation were 120,000 people, their goods and few remaining livestock. The logistics would have been terrifying for even a wealthy nation. Yet on June 18th, the move began. $615 lorries had been gathered, and 24 transport planes. 16 emergency landing strips had been built. Food had been provided, and clothing found. The nation's response to the nomads' need was quite phenomenal. In the resettlement zones, neat rows of tents and temporary huts stood waiting to shelter the homeless. For 105,000 people, arrival here in the fertile but undeveloped land between the rivers marked the beginning of a totally new life.